showers and thunder. Please stand by for an important message on station KEC 49.
Shelter in place. This is a message from Contra Costa Health Services. There is an emergency at the Chevron refinery. Residents in Richmond, North Richmond and San Pablo are advised to shelter in place. Go inside, close all windows and doors. Turn off all heaters, air conditioners and fans. If not using the fireplace, close fireplace dampers and vents, and cover cracks around doors and windows with damp or damp towels. Media news networks will continue to carry updated emergency information. Stay off the telephone unless you have a life-threatening emergency. People that are having skin, nose, or throat irritation, or are having trouble breathing as a result of this incident may go inside and shut their windows and doors to minimize any exposure. To get up-to-date information on this incident, please stay tuned to a television or radio station. Contra Costa Health Services work with KCB South, 740 AM to get information to the public.